welcome to the LifeThoughtsCamera YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be talking about nail design. I'll be explaining what a drag marble nail design is and also show you how it looks. Don't forget to check out my nail art playlist. It is a collection of all my nail art and nail care related videos, which is over 80 videos. It is a must watch for everyone. Traditionally, a drag marble nail design is a manicure where you place drops of nail polish on wet nail polish and create swirls on the surface to create marble effect on your nail. This can be achieved by just using two nail polish colors. When done properly, it can also give a classic and timeless look. It is perfect for weddings or even for official wear like office. The technique is pretty easy and simple to replicate. The only hard part is getting good nail polish that also does not dry up quickly. Here, I'm showing you a very minimal look. It was created using just two shades. I'll be showing you how to achieve this in my future video, which is a tutorial video. Please save this playlist of mine to see all the different styles and methods of drag marble nail art that I'll post in the future. Since you're here learning about drag marble nail art, you should check out my nail design playlist. These are my top 5 videos of this year, 2021. Did you check them out yet? Links to all the 5 videos are mentioned in the description box. If you're interested in lifestyle, do check out my other videos. Now, don't forget to thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit the bell icon to receive all notifications. Bye!